how to make a Google form questionnaire. This is a very easy method. All you have to do is to access your web browser and head to the Google Forms. So it's usually the first link, but in my case, it's on the second one. Just press on that, and then you'll just have to log into your account. And then once you're here, you need to create a blank form or a forms that is already have a thumbnail in it. So, for the sake of example, you just have to create a blank form. So from here, you can change the title with your questionnaire. Say, for example, okay, listing one. You can add a description to it. Now, once everything is set, this is where you can add up questions. Uh, you can either choose a short answer, a paragraph, multiple choices, check boxes, drop down, or you can like do a linear scale, multiple choice grid, check checkbox grid. For this example, let's choose on a short answer. Let's say full name, like that. And to add more question, just simply press on this s- cross icon right here. And then right here, we can try to do multiple choices, like great. So let's try option one, 10%. Let's add another option, 20%, option 3, 30%, so on and so forth. Now, if you're already done with your questionnaire and with answers in it, all you just have to do is to click send. But before you click send, this is where you can customize your theme. You can change the text style, the questions text. You can change the header, the color of the background. Now, once everything is set, just simply press send. And this is where you can add email to invite all your friends or maybe your colleagues who you want to enter this questionnaire. And you could also do this as an URL form. If this is too lengthy, you can just simply check to shorten your URL for you to easier copying it. So that's how you make questionnaire and Google Forms.